Social media
check-in.
There we go.
All right, everybody. Our first question of the day comes from Carol Anderson, the Tiger. This question that's been burning you. Yes. I just wanted to know if it's true that when you're a green card holder and you have a change of address to update your status, if you have to pay for it to the USCIS, and if so, how much is it? Can you explain to me more on what I should be looking for when I go into the line and get it done?
No, you don't have to go online to do anything to change your address with immigration. Just fill out an AR-11. There's no cost to it, and just mail it into immigration and tell them you've moved.
Alrighty, I'd Khadijah asked, do I have to wait for the I-130 to be approved before the I-485 approval?
No, you should file both together.
All right, Lisa on Instagram saying, asking for a friend, lawyer filed a petition for a U visa and the work permit, also did biometrics and received a receipt. All this was done in 2017. Up to now, she hasn't heard anything back from them. What's going on?
I don't know, but you should have a second consultation.
Alrighty, Nini Godpickney asks, after receiving a child's green card, do you have to take out his social security number on your own, or the USCIS will issue one for him?
They usually issue a social security number with the work permit.
Okay, Ali Boo Beecher saying, what documents do I submit to adjust my 9-year-old son's status?
Who's sponsoring? Is she a
question.
U.S. citizen or is it a spouse? But obviously, it's one of the two. Either she's a citizen or the spouse is a citizen. You need your marriage certificate, proof of whoever the petitioner is, citizenship, birth certificate to prove the relationship, affidavit of support.
All right, Ayusha Saratha asks, what will be the next step if the USCIS has not made a decision on your naturalization application past 120 days?
You can do a de novo review and bring it into federal court. You can wait for a decision which may never come.
Okay, Annie Cram saying, if you did not get the combo card and wanted to get advanced parole stamped in your book, if approved, will it be valid for a year or the period that's asked for the IO?
What's the IO?
Period that you asked maybe the
immigration
officer.
No, it should be for a year.
Okie dokie. And I have another question here. Does the public charge rule and form is in effect out there in the world consulates?
Yes, it is out there in the world consulates.
Okay, some of these questions we've done. Sorry. So I'm just going to go into D. Gore saying, I'm married to a U.S. citizen and I worked out of status and filed the tax, but on my application form, I say I didn't work. Am I in trouble?
If you're making a misrepresentation, you're in trouble.
Alrighty, I have a question from Agawa Torre. Hi, Brad. My cousin's husband is a U.S. citizen. He filed for my cousin. Now the case is at the NVC. All the documents are sent to the NVC this past October 24th. How long will it take now before the interview overseas?
Magic 8 Ball. How long? How long will this man get his interview?
I hope it's
all
good.
The documents are there. He's just waiting for an interview. How long will it be? Magic 8 Ball says, ask again later. Magic 8 Ball does not even know the answer when he will be scheduled.
All right, we have one from Jacqueline saying, Brad, how long, did you do this one? No. How long after your I-601 waiver is approved to get an interview?
The I-601, if your I-601 waiver is approved, then you should be getting a green card. That means you already had an interview, it was denied, and now you got approved for your waiver. Unless she's talking about a provisional waiver, which is the I-601A, then you got to process through the National Visa Center, and only the Magic 8 Ball knows when that interview is going to happen.
Alrighty, and to wrap this segment up, I have from Cardo Simons, and I am a permanent green card holder, about 15 years. Me and my ex got into a small dispute, never was charged. I went to domestic class. Can I leave the country and come back?
As long as you don't have a criminal record, you can leave the country and come back. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.